Details and this next story are graphic. The former superintendent of Ninnekah Schools in court today after he allegedly tried to smother a woman with a pillow at a downtown hotel over 4 years ago.
The victim claims he also raped her, and he's had a troubled past while he was a leader at the town school.
News 4's Dylan Brown confronted him outside the courtroom today. Dylan, what happened?
Yeah, Kevin, Heather, a lot happened. He didn't have much to say on it, I'm going to be honest with you. A bunch, though, was named in the Ronald Atkins lawsuit. Atkins, the former coach in Ninnekah, was convicted of sexually assaulting several young students. They claimed Bunch could have done something about it, but didn't. It's one of a handful of headlines, but victims hope this could be the case where they see justice.
Do you have anything to say to the people of Ninnekah? I'll ask that first.
No comment this time.
Okay.
Thank you, Bill.
I've got to ask you some questions.
Former superintendent of Ninnekah Schools, Michael Todd Bunch, keeping quiet after he pleaded no contest in court Friday. He had once faced 2 charges, rape by instrumentation and domestic assault and battery by strangulation.
She can't live the way she could before the attack.
Shelby Ross is the victim's friend who was Bunch's fiancée at the time. In 2022, Bunch and the victim were staying at the Omni Hotel. A man she once dated happened to run into them. She says Bunch got mad. Then, when they were back in their hotel room, she claims he said, quote, "I'll show you how a whore is treated," claiming he then sexually assaulted her, adding that he also placed a pillow over her head and attempted to suffocate her. Ross says Bunch has avoided answering the public for a while.
This is the only kind of accountability that anybody's going to be able to get at all for the things that he has done.
In 2018, Bunch arrested for allegedly smothering a different girl with a pillow. He was acquitted on those charges. Bunch was also superintendent when Ronald Atkins worked under him, a former basketball coach at Ninnekah Schools. Atkins sexually assaulted several young girls he coached. Those victims for years have said Bunch could have done something. They claim he could have stopped it.
Whenever the signs were very clear and it could have been stopped before anybody was hurt.
Bunch named in the lawsuit that resulted with those living in Ninnekah paying a 75% rise in their property taxes as a payment to the victims.
And now Ninnekah's taxes have doubled because of this.
We haven't gotten answers from Bunch before. We tried again.
Not to the victims, at least, Mr. Bunch. You don't have anything to say to the victims. You've got an entire place paying 75% more tax, and it was under your watch as superintendent. You don't have an apology or no statement at all.
Now, Bunch does have a sentencing date set for October 14th. He could end up facing 1 to 3 years or end up with probation.